friends, Candace Gillespie here with Candace's Canvases. Today I am sharing with you card 1 of a crafty collaboration with Misty from Happy Ink Designs here on YouTube. All her video information will be linked down below, along with the introduction video of this challenge. This is a DIY card kit I sent to her and made myself the exact same one. So here is card 1. First things first, I have a 4 by 5 1/4 card panel, and then I made some of this crepe paper ruffliness, and I'm just attaching that to the bottom portion of this card panel. Next, I'm trying to just kind of dry fit my next ingredients onto this card. So excuse the mess on the left there of my desk. I literally am just sifting through everything, just trying to figure out how I'm going to make this card, what I want it to look like. So I decided I wanted to use these stamps that I hadn't colored yet, and that's baby Ella, our kitten. We have 1 cat and 1 dog now, and I am all animaled out. It's funny. I grew up in a house with tons of animals, so now it's my turn to just say enough is enough with 1 dog and 1 cat. So anyway, I am just gluing on this doily here, and I'm going to tuck this in under that crepe paper. She loves my crafty stuff as much as I do. Can you blame her? I can't blame her. Okay, so I was thinking I should finish my thought here. I am using the gals that I didn't color, and I was thinking in my mind I wanted to make it more like of a monochromatic black and white thing, but this mint green doily just lends that sweet pop of color that makes this card work. I mean, I think it would work without it too. This stamp set will be in the video description down below. I did get it from Amazon, and I think it came from Australia. And I don't think it's a huge stamp company. It was just like an independent person. So check it out. I don't know. To be honest, I didn't find that they were the best quality, but I was looking for vintage ladies stamps, and I really like the images that, that they gave. I mean, not the quality of the images, but, the image itself. I did have to stamp it down a bunch of times, but it could have been a drier ink pad. It could have been anything. In the end, it worked out fine, and I would totally recommend them, because they're so cute. I think it's called 50s fashion ladies or something like that. The link is below. So I'm gluing the bigger one in the front to make it seem like she's kind of up at the forefront, using some vintage photo distress ink to go around the side. I thought maybe I should have added this around the doily and around all the ladies. But, you kind of just fly by the seat of your pants. At least I do when I'm making cards. There is a method to the madness. Like, there are certain rules in my mind that I don't like to break. But for the most part, I just go with the flow. Whatever my crafty feel like doing, So then I'm gluing the front of this down onto the front of a top folding black cardstock base. And then this lady is going to go on the inside so that the theme on the outside flows with the theme on the inside. Cute little thing. She'll do really well right there. Now, I figured I can leave it blank. I didn't have to put a sentiment on it. It would be a really nice blank card. Just write to somebody, I'm thinking of you, or whatever. But I thought I wanted to kind of hand letter a sentiment. So let me see before I say that. What else am I doing? Oh yeah, this is a die that I have, an old Stampin' Up die, and it's like a film strip die, so I thought that would work really well with the black and the white. So here I cut out a bunch of fidgeting with this foam tape. It's super duper sticky. Even though these scissors are non-stick, it was still painfully sticky. So I cut out for you all my wrestling with that. I did need to just cut out this layer here of foam because the girl is on foam already, so it kind of gave it that bumpy look, so that was an easy fix. And then because I have that film strip on the outside, I'm going to use this film strip washi, and I wish I would have put this behind her had I known what I was going to do. That's the good part of pre-planning cards, but it looks fine. I'm not concerned about it or bothered. So here now I'm thinking about a sentiment. So I bring in this what is this? This is a 1/2 inch of just scrap white cardstock, and I'm going to pencil on here, hello classy lady, or for a classy lady. I'm going to pencil on here, for a classy lady. And I cut out the rest of it because it took me forever. And this is just a Copic fine liner pen. It's a 0.5, I think. So a pretty thick nib on the tip there. And it's going to go right across her legs like that. This cat, she's silly. So I'm just trimming off the extra white on the bottom, trying to make it the same amount on the top as it is on the bottom, and then add some foam tape on this. And this is funny. I left this in because it's ridiculous of me. So I thought, this is thick foam tape. I'll just stick it on there and then fold it in half. Well, it would have worked fine, I think, had I stuck it on straight to begin with. Oh man. That's fine. Because I'm just a real card maker. I'm just a real person, right? So are you. So just fidget with it. I found that the longer scissors, the Tim Holtz Tonic Studio longer scissors, were actually more non-stick than the medium ones. I don't know, there shouldn't be a difference, but it really didn't stick to the longer ones. So here I am just making it so that there's a gap in between the foam, so her little legs there can sit in there. So it says, for a classy lady. I think I'm going to go back and add some sequins now that I'm looking at it on film. And the pictures that follow will show it with the sequins on it. Now here I am lettering on your birthday. And just finishing up with the fine liner. It does turn out a little crooked. I should have made some ledger lines to help me with that, but I'm fine with it. It's kind of a rustic vintage card feeling. It doesn't need to be perfect. So there it is, and I will add those sequins after the fact and show you the picture. And as always, thank you so much for watching and participating in this fun, crafty collaboration with Misty from Happy Ink Designs. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and share it on social media, and go visit Misty on hers and see her card. We'll talk soon. Bye!